guys, and welcome back to Star Stable. We're here with Air Angel, and we're gonna go find Spirit. And from being admired with Spirit, I went to talk to Tony, and she gave us this hat, which is super cute. And I bought the Miradero apple. It costs 556 or 655 apples. And you guys might want to hurry up because this is a limited edition, apparently, according to the apple. So yeah, and he's supposed to be in Moorland right now, so yeah, let's go see if we can find him in Moorland. Where are you? Okay, let me check my schedule. Yes, okay. Okay, so we're Thursday, and it is 5 o'clock. He's supposed to be in Moorland. Okay. So, okay. Nightstar. I mean Spirit. Yeah, Spirit and Nightstar sound like still the same, right? Alright. Normally he's around here. Sorry, Air Angel. Where is Spirit? Normally he's supposed to be here. Do you think we're too early? Because it just turned 5:09. Do you think we're too early for him? So, Moorland. Between Conrad and Champwood Beach. Okay. I guess it's not Moorland. Or, maybe? Yeah, it has to be Moorland. Huh. Where is Conrad? Who's that guy again? Spirit, get over here. Spirit! Normally he's here. I don't get where he is. Spirit! Hello? Spirit? Hello? Spirit? Guys, do you think? Because this is what it says on the apple. A rare, yeah, okay, it's his favorite food. Please note that this is a temporary event. Make sure to give Spirit the apple immediately. When the event is over, Spirit will disappear from Jorvik, after which you can no longer trade apples with him. Okay, but he's still in Jorvik, isn't he? Hello. Thursday, 5 p.m. Moorland. Spirit, where are you? Oh, he can also be at Conrad. Now I know who he is. Oh my god. Totally forgot who Conrad is. This is Conrad. Yes, of course. This guy. This is Conrad. How did I forget that? Okay. Anyway, let's go back to finding Spirit, shall we? There he is! Guys, I was kind of hoping that we would adopt him in Nomer's Highland, because the first time I met him was Nomer's Highland, and it was off camera though, so I'm sorry about that. Oh my god, guys. Yes! Oh my god. That's awesome! And I think he's level 15. From now on, he will live in your stable. Spirit is now your horse. And that's like the buck he does. Oh, Spirit! Awesome! Okay, congratulations. Spirit is now your horse. From now on, Spirit will be in your stable. You can ride him and look after him, just like your other horses. You can't put horse equipment on Spirit. Okay, guys. Oh my god. I just did a championship. in Valdeo. So, and I wasn't in the top 3, so it gave me the 25 euros that you get, or Jorvik shillings. So I am quickly going to go get those Jorvik shillings. No, we're not going to stop at Maya. See, when there's a quest, the horse automatically stops. It gets kind of annoying, I guess. Okay. Guys. Oh my god. 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 I am so excited to see Spirit. Oh my god, guys. This is like unreal. Oh my god. You guys would not believe it. Oh my god. Yes. Spirit. There he is! There's Spirit! Yeah, he's level 15. That's the highest level your horse can be. Spirits! Oh my god. Let's put on some nicer clothes, shall we? Some fancy clothes. And you cannot put tack on this horse. Oh my god, you're so cute! Oh my god. Oh, that's a totally different rear. Let's go try him out. Oh, I never realized that horse's head. Oh my god, are you guys as excited as I am? Okay, probably not. But I am. Okay, wait. Okay, how do you zoom out? Okay, wait. Let me figure this out. Options. Graphics. No. Game. Okay, let's just leave it at that for now. No. Oh my god. Oh, he runs like so differently. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's so cute. Oh my god, and he doesn't slide like completely on his bum. Oh, with the tail and all. Wait a minute. Let's just... No, you shouldn't, I'm riding you. Oh, he jumps so differently. Oh my god. That is so cute. The hind leg, look, it doesn't slide completely on his butt. And his rear is completely different. Some of his legs are always like curved, I guess you could say. And the muscles are so different. Oh, and the rearing. Oh my god, I'm in love. I will be doing the Moorland Championship with him in 45 minutes, as you guys might have seen in the corner about a minute ago. Okay, let's just... Oh my god. Muscles are so different when he runs. Oh my god, look at those ears. Look at those ears. Oh my god, I'm in love with those ears. Probably my favorite parts. Okay, should we race with 10? Should we race with 10, Spirit? Let's go race with 10. Although you can't level up, but you know. Oh my god, I'm so used to having a saddle, or like a white horse or a black horse, and then Spirit is just like, nope, I'm original, guys. Whoa, he's fast. Oh my god, he's fast. Ooh. Got some skills. He's not even that big. What? I'm not going to experiment during a race. That doesn't sound like such a good idea. Here I can though. Yeah, he's not that big. Yeah, I'm running this really badly. Okay, sorry Spirit, I am running this really badly. But it will be a new personal best, won't it, Spirit? I love how I'm on level 6 and my horse is on level 15 and you're like, yep, that's totally normal. Whee! Okay, are we on this? Oh, we're still at the bottom. Okay. Let's just, how does he go backward? Oh, he doesn't look as much as the Jorvik Warmbloods do. Hello, Loretta. Well done. Wait, does it give me any XP? Because horses normally give you, races normally give your horse 250 XP. I mean, 125 XP then. Okay. Oh, I love the music. No, you shouldn't. I'm already riding you. Oh my god. Spirit, Spirit, Spirit. We're so gonna beat this record, I swear. Oh my god, this is so awesome. Okay. Oh, she's fast. Oh, her horse is probably leveled up, and she's probably leveled up, because the more she levels up, I think the faster the horse is too. It's like you're training the horse kind of. Oh my god. Oh, okay, so we're still at the end. It's good to know. Yeah, so he doesn't get any XP. So that was it for the day, guys, and we just got Spirit. And yeah, I will see you in 45 minutes at the Moorland Championship. Bye!